It is so fun and it's so cute.
Yeah, it really is.
I'm just gonna line this up here and line this up here so that I've got it for 60 degrees. I'm gonna just cut this. We'll cut the point off. So now I've got my 60-degree angle.
Yeah.
Now all I need to do, I'm gonna line it at the edge, make sure that there's an edge here. You won't go all the way to the point because we cut it off.
Okay.
So now I can cut it off. And now we're gonna sew these diamonds together.
Okay.
All you have to do with this one is you just have to line up the raw edges.
That's why it's nice to
That's
have
why
those
it's so critical.
points trimmed off.
So what we want to do is we do not want to match our seams.
Right.
So I'm gonna take my pin and I'm gonna go about 1/4 of an inch down, and then I'm going to pierce it on the other side about 1/4 of an inch down. You can't really nest.
No.
You can't on this.
No.
You have to do it this way.
This is a statement piece.
Yes, it is.
Right?